bro.
What? It is. Are you sure?
Dude, he's my boy. He's got me tonight.
You know what? We're going. When are you? How long are you in town for?
I'm here for the next day, and then I'm gone.
No.
But I'll come back with her.
We'll be back. He's from Jersey, New Jersey.
Dude, I want to go bar hopping so bad.
No, but we're gonna go to the best spot. Very low key, not like not like up there or anything.
I'm so down.
There'll be the best drinking spots, and you'll have a really good time.
You know who we should bring?
Aww.
Yeah.
I'm down. We should bring Andy Milonakis. He would love that shit.
Yeah, let's
Does he live in New York?
Yeah, he's here.
Yeah.
Nice.
Dude, he knows everything.
He would really like that.
See, chat, I'm a personable guy. Or I just buy a lot of their alcohol and they're happy.
Chat, do you want backpack on me, Ms.?
When did I say I would wear it?
No, really, go for it. If there's any,
But ask if they want.
I would rather hear it like.
I just know that if I asked you, you would.
That
So I
makes us
appreciate
better,
that.
right? Like any kind of critique makes you so much better.
Ooh, me or Ms. It's so split.
Yeah, the chicken wings were like I've never had.
Your water was
They
fantastic.
were so good.
New York water.
Oh my god, I hate you.
Really?
Yeah. No, New York water has a very distinct taste to it.
Let me see.
Yep.
Depression.
It's
What the fuck?
That's interesting. You can't drink Jersey water.
No.
Water.
It's from
Jersey
the
water is shit.
Yeah, it's such shit. You'll get like bodies in that crap. It's terrible.
What the hell?
No, Jersey water is shit. Look at it to me. I drank that
That's
for 20 years.
true.
Bodies and that shit.
It's from the Hudson River. They don't give a shit.
Please stop.
How about you wear it for a bit and then we'll have them both. So they know it's
They just want to be next to you,
Aww.
Aria.
No.
What's wrong with you? You okay? Are you okay? You're not talking. Dude, I can't even wear this. The straps are so tight.
You can undo it.
No, I'm okay.
You're not used to being strapped up at all?
Dude, what the hell? We haven't even gotten the bars yet. What is wrong with you?
I just wanted to know what kind of bars today.
Anything, man.
Anything that floats your boat. No judgment.
I just like to go out.